Hello and welcome. Myself, Mr. Gulake Babashok, Race Shikshan Samstha, Abasayat Marathi Arts and New Commerce Science College, Rajapur. Today's lectures we are going to discuss the chapter Mechanism of Organic Reactions. In these chapters, last times we have seen that the introductory parts like the acidity, electrophilicity, nucleophilicity, and intermediate transition state. Such terms we have studied in details. Now we have seen the neighboring group participation. Neighboring group participation is an intramolecular effect temporarily exerted by adjacent group which is directly participate by moving within the bonding distance of reaction center and it reverts back. This is called as neighboring group participation. Neighboring group participation occurs the migrating group to the adjacent position. It's called as 1-2 shift. If group which migrate remains permanently in the new position, then reaction is called as rearrangement. But however, in some cases, the adjacent group temporarily assists to the reaction by providing electrons to the reaction center and then reverts back to original position. Such phenomena are called as the neighboring group participation reaction. As the migrating group comes back to the original position, there will be no rearrangement. Now we have see the mechanism. In first step, what happens? The neighboring group attack the adjacent carbon with lone pair of electron acting as internal nucleophile and resulting simultaneous loss of leaving group by intramolecular nucleophilic substitution through three-membered cyclic transition state or three-membered three-center bridge ion. We see this example, we clear that the neighboring group adjacent carbon, so this adjacent carbon with lone pair of electron, these are we have considered as containing the lone pair of electron act as internal nucleophile and this internal nucleophile attack the backside of this carbon. Simultaneous loss of this X means simultaneous breaking of CX bond and to form the three centered bridge ion. Now we have seen in second step the external nucleophile is attack the bridge ion and which push back on this side the migrating group to the original positions by intermolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction because it is another nucleophile and this is one of this molecule. So this nucleophile is attack on this carbon and breaking off this bond. After breaking to get this R is their original position, and the nucleophile and the carbon form the new bonds. Now we have going to the kinetic aspects of the neighboring group participation reaction. It is a very important point of view in neighboring group participation. The migrating group act as a internal nucleophile. It is observed that greater the nucleophilicity than attacking nucleophile, as the former is already present in the molecule and properly oriented for the attack. Further, the changes in the overlap accompanying the reaction takes place more easily by internal attacks, and therefore the kinetic or the rate of that group neighboring group participation reaction is more. In second aspect, we have seen that the neighboring group has the influence to increase the kinetic factor because it helps to push out leaving group, and this is called as enchimeric assistant. As a result, the rate of reaction increase called as synertic acceleration type of reaction. You know that the neighboring group participation, it is an enchimeric assistance. It is a very important point. Enchimeric assistance means that the attacking nucleophile and the leaving group, which are very nearly close to each other, and therefore it helps to attack the nucleophile, and leaving the group is very easily are possible. In second aspects of this kinetic, the three-centered reaction, a bridged ion is formed as intermediate if adjacent atom with lone pair of electron involved in bridge ion atom has an octet, hence it is more stable than normal intermediate. We have see in this the three-centered bridge ion is formed in neighboring group participation reaction, but we know that intermediate the lone pair of the electrons are involved due to the atom has the complete octet. And therefore, in neighboring group participation reaction, the three-centered reaction or three-centered bridged ion which is most formed. The next point we have going to this example we have see. For example, the sodium 2-bromopropionate are treated with methanolic sodium methoxide is nucleophilic substitution or take place with complete retention of configuration. We have seen this example, the bromine on its carbon, which is simply replaced by the OH on that side. Bromine is right hand side and OH also right hand side. So no change of that configuration which is occurs. So what is this configuration? Bromine is first, this side is second, this is third, and this is the fourth. We have see that it is the configuration is yes. It is also first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. It is configuration is yes. So yes and yes, retention of configuration which is observed. It is also a first order reaction because the rate of the reaction which is independent of the concentration of the nucleophile, because the internal nucleophilic substitution by neighboring carboxylate ion, this carboxylate ion which is internal nucleophile is attack this carbon and replace this bromine and to form the three membered cyclic lactone, that is called as a alpha lactone, which is formed, which is attacked by external nucleophile like OH minus on that carbon. Since the two nucleophilic substitution, the configuration it will be retained in the final product. The first step is the slow step to form the lactone, and which is the rate determining step. An attack of nucleophile in a fast step, and therefore rate of the reaction which is depend on only concentration of this carboxylate, means only substrate. Therefore the neighboring group participation reaction, it is a first order reaction. Second example, we have see this mustard gas 2,2 dichloro diethyl sulfide, 2,2 dichloro 2,2 diethyl sulfide. It is called as a mustard gas. This mustard gas, which on hydrolysis, in presence of a base like a sodium hydroxide, but it is differed from hydrolysis of alkyl halide in two respect. It is follows the first order kinetic, and the rate of the reaction is independent of the concentration of the base, because this is the sulfur which having the lone pair is attack or act as the internal nucleophile, is attack on this carbon and replace Cl to form three-membered ring, and after formation of three-membered ring the OH minus is attacked and breaking of these three-membered and to what the product is a alcohol. So attack of this OH minus, it is a fast state. Okay, this mechanism, lone pair of this sulfur attack on this carbon, replace Cl, and to form this three-membered intermediate. After formation of this intermediate, attack of the nucleophile NaOH or water hydrolysis to get alcohol. So this is a slow step. So rate of the reaction depends on only substrate. And therefore, it is a first order kinetics. Now we have seen the stereochemical aspects of neighboring group participation reaction. We know that the formation of bridged ion, the stereochemistry of the reaction is characteristically different from the observed in simple nucleophilic substitution reaction. We have seen that the normal nucleophilic substitution reaction gives the inversion or racemization, but in neighboring group participation reaction gives 100% retention of configuration. For example, when the bromohydrine 3-bromo 2-butanol, which is treated with concentrated hydrobromic acid, it gives 2,3-dibromo-butane as the product. But we have seen the stereochemistry of that product which having a different. We see that the stereochemistry of nucleophilic substitution reaction was studied by the scientists Winston and Lucas, which observed that the optically active erythro isomer 2 gives mesodibromide, whereas optically active 3O isomer gives a racemic mixture of dibromide. See here in this example, this is a erythro optically active compounds. Why it is a erythro? Because same group on same side, so erythro. This erythro optically active, which one treat with hydrobromic acid, what happens? It gives meso compound. It is meso optically inactive because we have draw this plane between this molecule. We observe that this part and this part, which are the superimposable mirror image, therefore it is most meso compound, plane of symmetry. Now we have CD3O compounds. In erythro compounds, we have seen that the retention of configuration is observed. But in 3O compounds, which is observed that the both carbon atoms in one of the product is retention of configuration and other product is inversion of configuration is observed. See is these 3O compounds. Why it is a 3O? Because same atom which is opposite side. So it is a 3O optically active. Why it is optically active? Because we have drawn this plane. This molecule is cut, which are not similar, and therefore it is optically active compounds. We have seen these two examples, which is racemic mixture. It is shows that retention of configuration, and it is a inversion of configuration. Now we have seen in details how will it change this mechanism. We can explain by neighboring group participation of bromine atom. The reaction involved the nucleophilic substitution type. In first step, what happens? This bromide, it having the lone pair, is attack of this adjacent carbon and replace the OH2 plus to form three-membered the bromide atoms. Okay, what is the first step? First step is OH is protonated by using the acid is protonated, and the lone pair of that bromide is attack on this carbon and replace the water molecules. And to get the resulting bridged bromonium ion intermediate. Then what happens? These bromide ions which is attack on this carbon or attack on this carbon. So two possibility are there. One of the possibility is capital A and second possibility is capital B carbon. Now we have see the first possibility at capital A carbon R shows that the bromide is attack on these carbons. What happens? The bromide is below the plane and the two groups are flanked on the above side. So these two group hydrogen and CH3 group flank on the above side, and this bromine is reversed to the original position, that is the bromine and this. We have drawn this Fisher projection, sawhorse in the form of Fisher we can draw. We observe that it is a trio. How will you draw this sawhorse to trio? It is very simple. By CS3 of this carbon, left hand side is a which is on clockwise rotating on this side. So what happens? The CH3 is below, hydrogen is right hand side and bromine is left side. So CH3 is this side and left side is bromine, right hand side hydrogen. This is also we can rotate. So what happens? On this side is rotation, left side is hydrogen and right side is a bromine. Second possibility is that the bromide is attack on B carbons. What happens? The attack of bromine on B carbon, what happens? The bromine is below the plane. See here, it is a below the plane. And two group, that is a methyl group and hydrogen group, which is flanked on above side, like this, above side and above side. And this bromine is reversed back to the original carbons, and these two group, hydrogen and CH3 are there. So these sawhorse structures we can draw in the form of Fisher projection. So this draw it is a very simple. The first carbon we have this carbon. So it is rotate on this side. It's very simple to understand to write the molecules. So we can rotate this methyl on right hand side. So hydrogen is left side, bromine is right hand side. Similarly, this methyl group we can rotate on this side. What happens? Right hand side rotation. So bromine is left side and hydrogen is a right hand side. So such a type of two isomer which is result by neighboring group participation reaction of bromination. Hence, the formation of racemic mixture from optically active trioisomers it can explain. Similarly, the stereochemical reaction can be written with erythroisomer to get the mesoisomers.